This is QMO. Complying with the law is not an option. It is an obligation that can make the difference between operating with peace of mind or facing sanctions, fines, and legal issues. And although many regulations may seem complex, there is one common thread among almost all of them: documentation. From contracts to internal policies, including records, invoices, or reports, the way these documents are managed is key to demonstrating compliance to any regulatory body. Good document management allows you to organize, classify, and preserve critical information under criteria that meet legal standards. For example, many regulations require keeping documents for a specific period, being able to access them quickly, and proving their authenticity and integrity. If these documents are on paper, poorly filed, or without traceability, meeting these requirements becomes a challenge. But if they are digitized, tagged, and under control, responding to an audit is a matter of minutes. Another central point is traceability. Laws don't just require documents to exist, but to be able to show who created them, when they were modified, and what approvals they received. This is where a document management system makes a difference. With version control, change history, and electronic signatures, you can validate every step of the document's life cycle. This not only protects the company, it also gives it greater credibility with auditors and clients. Security is also a key aspect of compliance. Regulations such as the GDPR in Europe, HIPAA in the United States, or ISO 27001 internationally set strict requirements for how confidential information must be protected. Good document management enables the implementation of access policies, encryption, backups, and secure deletion, ensuring that only authorized individuals access the data, and that it is neither lost nor leaked. In addition, many regulations require real-time evidence of compliance. It's not enough to say, "We comply," you have to prove it. An advanced document system allows for automatic reports, audit trails, and alerts for expirations or reviews. This helps anticipate issues, correct deviations, and act transparently in the face of any legal requirement. In summary, complying with the law is not just about having documentation, just in case. It's about having well-defined processes, the right tools, and an organizational culture focused on responsibility. Document management not only avoids penalties, it protects your reputation, improves your image with clients and institutions, and gives you the peace of mind of always being one step ahead. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.